Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present top 5 tips that are prepared for you for investing into the stock market and also to the ETFs. I've been investing for like 5 years, but I'm not a day trader, I'm a long-term investor. So this video won't be really about day trading because I don't do day trade. I focus on a long-term investing into ETFs and stocks. So let's start. So this is my advice for you. The first one is to invest every month, just every time, month by month, year by year, and just really think long term. I'm investing for like 5 years at this moment. I know that I'm only 24, but I started to analyze it and look it up early. And this is the one thing that I really see that it adds up. Like the compound interest is huge. So this is the first for everyone who is beginning. But if you're not a beginner, I think you already know this. So this is something crucial. The second thing is accept risks and have good emergency fund build up. This is something that I see with plenty of people. They want to get rich by investing into stocks. And I'm like, that's so damn risky even when they don't have emergency fund. It's okay to burn up if you're gonna have emergency fund that you can like land on. But plenty of people just invest all of their savings and it's so damn bad. So what I did is that after a year and a half in my job, I left the job with a 15K in a savings, and then I started investing. And then I started to build up my business to even get more revenue from my business that I can invest into stock market. But this is going to be different tip that I prepared for. So this is what I do, is that I always have emergency fund for at least 2 years because that's what I'm comfortable with. If you're for 3 months, 4 months, that's up to you, but this is my emergency that I'm okay. So definitely build up emergency before you're gonna invest. The third thing that I prepared for you is to invest into ETFs and index funds. This is crucial. If you don't know what is an ETF, it's a group of stocks, let's say hundreds of them. Maybe you heard about ARK. If you didn't, just check up ARK and I will show you straight away how it works. So ARK are really great that I invest on monthly basis, ARK funds. And you see it right here is that I'm gonna see the ARK funds for innovation. You're gonna have autonomous next generation internet genomics fintech space. You can really invest to those that you like. You can, I think you will see them in most of the brokers. And you see that this is like but this is active ETFs that they manage it. And you see that Tesla 10%, Square 7%, and you can view all the holdings. And this is what I really like, is that you just invest into this ETF holdings, the ARK Invest, ARK Innovation ETF, and you just don't care about anything. And you focus on work. This is what I like personally, that I don't have time to actually watch the stock market all the time. And for me, this is much more effective and they get plenty of funds and I'm not paid by ARK. I just like them, what they do, how they work. I just copy their portfolio and I invest every month into it. So that's what I do also. And what I do next is that I also invest into dividends and I reinvest those dividends. So I have a portfolio of dividends on Trading 212 because I'm from Europe. And I invest about 2.5K or 3K a month because like I have good revenue from my business. So I diversify between ARK's ETF. The second thing is my dividend portfolio, which is a high dividend portfolio, but also like good risk. And then I invest into individual stocks like Pinterest because I like the company. Then I invest into Tesla, Apple. Like Apple will, in my opinion, be huge only because they will be in a health segment and like they will achieve great thing in a health segment. I really believe in that. Like their innovations will. The CEO of Apple is a titan. He's a beast in my opinion. That's like that means also with Microsoft and Apple. As someone who also operates in business, they are beasts. I can really imagine how smart and how crucial they are for their companies. So that's another thing what I prepared for you. The fourth, I do your own research and invest into stocks you really believe in long term. This is what I do. I don't read Reddit, what other people think, what they recommend. I do my own research by myself. I literally look up their, I'm going to change the camera. I look up literally their investing, also their revenue, their expenses. Also, I look up their CEO, the management in LinkedIn. I invested when they worked. If I like what they do, I check up their social media if they are active. And then I see some results. And then I see if I like it or no. And if I like their vision, what they want to achieve, in that moment is, okay, I'm in and I'm going to invest for years, because I don't care if they're gonna drop for 2 years and their stock is going to be really cheap and I lose money on it. Month by month, I'm going to invest into it. That's what I'm going to do, only because I believe in long-term their vision. And even when they fail, it's okay, only because I like what they are doing. But I don't invest like 100% into it. There's like 10% of my portfolio are to companies like these. So that's what, 300, 400 euro a month. So that's what I do. That's how I act. Now, to go further even, the 5 I prepared for you is resist the lure of penny stocks. My recommendation is always focus how you can earn more money from your job and business, and don't try to get rich by penny stocks. Yes, you can get lucky. Most people are not lucky, and I'm willing to risk it in creating a business, creating something meaningful on a market, or get better job like as an employee. So what I did is, when I was working in the sales, I learned how to sell better, to be the top 5 in my own country, and I did it. I became the top 5 in my country. So that's really effective, and that's what I recommend everyone to do, because that's something that will work. And focus on this. So to summarize this whole video, invest every month a little bit of time, right? 1 month by month, year by year. The compound interest is huge. Accept risks and have a good emergency fund build up. Don't invest until you're gonna have like emergency fund. This is what I told my mom too. Mom, don't invest, you need to emergency fund first. Invest into ETFs, index funds. This is the third thing. My recommendation is using ARK Invest or just like SP500, Vanguard, completely up to you which we're gonna choose. Do your own research and invest into stocks you really believe in long term. Don't listen to Reddit, don't listen to Wall Street bets, just analyze, be calm, and think long term. And the 5th thing is resist the lure of penny stocks. What most people are doing, they want to get rich quick and then they will burn out and they don't win. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions or if you're gonna have any ideas, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.